Let me blow you a trumpet. Ah, yeah. Ah, no, 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 see. We want to blow God a trumpet. We want to blow him a trumpet. We want to play him a harp. The angels are doing their own. The 24 elders are doing their own. We are going to join the saints. We are going to blow him a trumpet. We are going to play him a harp. Our worship will be worthy tonight. Let me blow you a trumpet. Let me play you my harp. Let me blow you my Can we all blow him? Can you blow him a trumpet? Can you blow him a trumpet? You might not know how to play the instrument, but your heart can be the trumpet that you blow. Your heart can be the hand that you blow. Play to him. The strings of instruments lies in the corridor of your spirit. Blow it. Blow it. Play it to Elohim. That is what you owe him. That is what you owe him. It may not be sweet in the ears of the world. It may not be melodious in the ears of the world. But let me play you my trumpet. Yahweh, give me space. Let me blow you my heart. Let me play you my trumpet. Daddy, let me play you my heart. Let me play. Let me play. Let me play. Let me play you my. Let me blow. Let me blow. Let me blow. Let me play. Let me play. Let me blow. Let me blow you out. Let me play you out.
Let me blow you are drunk. Let me blow you are. Let me blow you are drunk. Let me play you are. Hello. Hello. Aliyah.
Yahweh.
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 Hello.
Yahweh.
Elion.
Elion.
Yeah.
Elohim. 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 Elion. Can everyone say Elohim? Elohim. Elion. Yahweh. Let me blow. Lord, let me blow.
Let me blow.
Let me blow. You a trumpet. Can someone lift up their voice and begin to blow the Lord that trumpet? And begin to blow the Lord that trumpet. Play him that harp, that very one that comes from your inner man.